Hey everyone, and welcome to our adventure in Mato Grosso do Sul, a state in Brazil known for its amazing nature and landscapes. We're going right into the middle of South America, to a place where nature has created something truly special. From wetlands and forests to beautiful rivers, get ready to see the incredible nature of this place. You'll be amazed by the sights and sounds of a land bursting with life. Our trip starts in the Pantanal, a huge floodplain in the heart of South America. This vast expanse stretches over 70,000 square miles, making it the largest tropical wetland in the world. It's a place where the boundaries between land and water blur, creating a unique and dynamic ecosystem. It's a place shaped by the rise and fall of water, where the seasonal rains dictate the rhythm of life. During the wet season, the Pantanal transforms into a watery wonderland, with floodwaters rising and spreading across the landscape, where life has learned to survive in a world that's always changing. Animals and plants have adapted to the cyclical nature of the floods, developing unique strategies to thrive in this ever-changing environment. When the rain comes, the water rises, covering the land and turning it into a mix of lagoons and waterways. These temporary water bodies become vital habitats for a myriad of species, providing food, shelter, and breeding grounds. Right here in this watery wilderness, something amazing happens. The Pantanal becomes a bustling hub of biodiversity, teeming with life in every corner. The Pantanal is home to tons of animals, showing just how much life this special place supports. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a role in this intricate web of life. Jaguars, the top hunters here, stalk through the reeds. These majestic predators are perfectly adapted to their environment, using their stealth and strength to hunt prey in the dense vegetation. Families of capybaras, the biggest rodents in the world, munch on plants, always looking out for danger. These social animals live in groups and are often seen grazing near the water's edge. Caimans, ancient reptiles, soak up the sun. These relatives of alligators are a common sight in the Pantanal, basking on riverbanks and lurking in the water, waiting for their next meal. And all around you hear birds singing. The Pantanal is a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 650 species of birds calling this place home. Hyacinth macaws, with their bright blue and gold feathers, fly through the air. These striking birds are the largest parrots in the world and are a symbol of the Pantanal's rich avian diversity. Jabiru storks, standing tall on their skinny legs, hunt for fish. These impressive birds are easily recognizable by their black and white plumage and their long red legs. The Pantanal is like a beautiful song of life, showing us how creative nature is. Every species, every plant, and every drop of water contributes to the harmony of this ecosystem. It reminds us how important it is to protect these wild places. The Pantanal is not just a haven for wildlife, it's a vital part of our planet's natural heritage. By preserving it, we ensure that future generations can also experience the wonders of this incredible wetland. We're leaving the wetlands and heading west to Serra da Bodoquena National Park. This park is a hidden gem, a sanctuary of natural beauty and wonder. As we approach, the landscape begins to change dramatically. The flat wetlands give way to rolling hills and dense forests, signaling the start of our adventure into a world less touched by time. Here, among the forests and hills, lies a treasure trove of natural wonders. The air is filled with the scent of fresh foliage, and the sounds of wildlife echo through the trees. It's a place where nature thrives in its purest form, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. There's a hidden world of caves, waterfalls, and amazing rock formations. These natural features have been sculpted over millennia, creating a landscape that feels both ancient and alive. The caves in particular hold a special allure, with their mysterious entrances beckoning us to explore further. Over thousands of years, water has carved out caves underground, creating a secret world of beauty. These caves are adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, each formation telling a story of time and nature's artistry. The underground rivers and streams add to the enchantment, their gentle flow a soothing soundtrack to our exploration. This secret world is a testament to the power and patience of nature. The crystal-clear waters inside the caves reflect the intricate formations, creating a mesmerizing display of light and shadow. It's a place where every corner reveals a new wonder, a new piece of nature's art. We're going into the Gruta do Lago Azul, the Blue Lake Cave, a place where time seems to stop. This cave is one of the most famous in the region, known for its stunning blue waters that seem almost otherworldly. As we step inside, the temperature drops and the air becomes still, adding to the cave's mystical atmosphere. A place where time seems to stop. The stillness of the water and the silence of the cave create a sense of timelessness, as if we've stepped into another world. The blue waters are so clear that they reflect the cave's ceiling, creating an illusion of endless depth. As our eyes get used to the darkness, we begin to see the cave's true beauty. The dim light reveals the intricate details of the rock formations, each one a masterpiece of nature's design. It's a place that invites quiet contemplation, a sanctuary where we can connect with the Earth's ancient past. We see an amazing sight, a clear lagoon, a beautiful turquoise color reflecting the light from the cave entrance. This lagoon is a hidden gem, a tranquil pool that seems to glow with an inner light. The water is so clear that we can see the bottom, revealing a world of underwater formations that are just as stunning as those above. A beautiful turquoise color, reflecting the light from the cave entrance. The light streaming into the lagoon creates a magical effect, illuminating the water and casting shimmering reflections on the cave walls. It's a sight that takes our breath away, a moment of pure natural beauty that stays with us long after we leave. This underground sanctuary shows us nature's art, a place where the normal and the extraordinary mix together. The cave formations are like sculptures, each one unique and beautiful in its own way. It's a reminder of the incredible power of nature and the beauty that can be found in the most unexpected places. A place where the normal and the extraordinary mix together. The interplay of light and shadow creates a dynamic landscape that changes with every step we take. It's a place that feels both familiar and alien, a testament to the endless creativity of the natural world. Back above ground, sunlight shines through the trees, lighting up a world of life. The forest is alive with the sounds of birds and insects, a vibrant contrast to the stillness of the caves. The sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a dappled pattern on the forest floor that adds to the sense of magic, lighting up a world of life. Waterfalls rush down cliffs, their roar a powerful reminder of nature's force. The water cascades over rocks and into clear pools, creating a refreshing mist that cools the air. It's a scene of dynamic beauty, a perfect complement to the serene caves below. This is a great place for exploring, perfect for hikers and anyone who loves nature. The trails wind through the forest, offering stunning views at every turn. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a peaceful walk, there's something here for everyone. Perfect for hikers and anyone who loves nature. The park is a haven for nature lovers, a place where you can immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural world. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving these wild places so that future generations can experience the same sense of wonder and awe. Now we're going to Bonito, a town whose name means beautiful. The water here is so clear you can see everything underneath. The Rio de Prata, the Silver River, flows through the plants, its water so clear it almost disappears. We put on our snorkeling gear and jump into the river. Wow! Fish swim all around, their scales shining in the sun. The river bottom looks so close you could touch it. We float down the river, amazed by the beauty around us. But Bonito has more than just rivers. There are caves with cool rock formations and waterfalls that flow into clear pools. Bonito is a perfect place for nature lovers. We're leaving the rivers and going to Morro do Urucum, a big hill that you can see for miles. From the top you can see the whole Pantanal, a huge area of wetlands, forests and rivers. Up here we can really see how big and amazing this ecosystem is. The air is filled with birdsong. Morro do Urucum is a great place for birdwatching, but there's more than just birds here. There are all sorts of plants and animals, from orchids to ocelots. Morro do Urucum shows us that even in huge landscapes, you can find lots of different kinds of life. We're going to the Parana River, a huge river that forms the border with Parana State. This river is super important for the whole area, its water supporting lots of life. From above, the river looks like a silver ribbon. We'll get on a boat and go out on the water. The air is filled with bird sounds. We see caimans on the riverbanks. The Parana River is also full of fish. We'll try to catch some, like the dorado or the pacu. As the sun sets, we think about how important this river is for the people and animals that live here. It reminds us to protect these important waterways. Now we're going to Chapadão do Sul, a place covered in savanna and grasslands. Here, life is slower and the wide open spaces make you feel free. Chapadão do Sul might seem simple at first, but it's actually full of life. We see giant anteaters looking for insects, and maned wolves with their long legs and reddish fur. These animals are perfectly suited to life on the savanna. As we explore, we find hidden oases, where clear springs come up from the ground. These springs are important for the animals here, showing us how life survives in this tough but beautiful place. Our last stop is Boca do Pantanal, a hidden spot in the southern part of the Pantanal. This vast wetland is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, teeming with life and natural beauty. It's a place where the rhythm of nature is uninterrupted and the landscape is a mosaic of water and land. Here, the Pantanal's secrets are revealed. The wetlands stretch as far as the eye can see, a living, breathing ecosystem that supports an incredible variety of species. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, every creature plays a role in this delicate balance. It's a maze of lagoons, channels, and floating meadows, a paradise for wildlife. The waterways twist and turn, creating a labyrinth that is both beautiful and mysterious. These floating meadows are unique to the Pantanal, providing a habitat for countless birds, fish, and mammals. We'll go through the water in quiet canoes looking for animals. Paddling silently, we become part of the landscape, moving gently through the water without disturbing the natural harmony. This is the best way to observe the wildlife up close in their natural environment, and there are lots of animals. The Pantanal is home to over 1,000 species of birds, 400 species of fish, and 300 species of mammals. Each encounter is a reminder of the richness of life that thrives here. We see giant river otters playing in the water. These playful creatures are a joy to watch, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the water. They are social animals, often seen in family groups, and their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. These animals were almost extinct, showing how strong nature is. Conservation efforts have helped their numbers recover, a testament to the resilience of wildlife when given a chance to thrive. Their story is one of hope and renewal. We might even see a jaguar, the king of the wetlands. This elusive predator is a symbol of the wild, its presence a reminder of the untamed beauty of the Pantanal. Spotting a jaguar is a rare and unforgettable experience. Seeing this amazing animal reminds us of how wild this place still is. The jaguar's stealth and power are awe-inspiring, and its survival depends on the health of the entire ecosystem. Protecting the Pantanal means ensuring a future for these magnificent creatures. As we leave Boca do Pantanal, we'll remember its beauty and how important it is to protect these wild places. The setting sun casts a golden glow over the wetlands, a perfect end to our journey. The Pantanal's magic lies in its untouched wilderness, a sanctuary for wildlife and a treasure for future generations. As our trip ends, we're filled with awe and wonder. We've seen the amazing variety of life in Mato Grosso do Sul, from the Pantanal wetlands to the caves of Serra de Bodoquena. We've explored clear rivers, climbed hills, and seen the power of nature. Mato Grosso do Sul shows us how beautiful and strong our planet is. Let's all do our part to protect this natural paradise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature explorations.